These DPWH officials reached the lowest of the low and the highest of the high in the many corners of casinos across the country. On top of their multi-million peso wristwatches, signature clothes, and sneakers, and whatever else lavish lifestyles, these 5 erstwhile DPWH officials of the Bulacan First District Engineering Office gained them a moniker, BGC Boys. Not Bonifacio Global City Boys, Mr. President, but rather the Bulacan group of contractors as they have been known to casino employees. Hindi tambay ng High Street sa BGC ang mga ito. Hell Street siguro, Mr. President. At siyempre, nagtatago sa mga aliases ang BGC Boys. Let me do a roll call, complete with valid identification cards like driver's licenses from the Land Transportation Office, but this is a separate matter to be investigated, my distinguished colleagues. Ang kakasibak lamang na DPWH OIC Assistant Regional Director ng Region 4A at dating District Engineer ng Bulacan na si Henry Alcantara alias Joseph Castro Villegas. OIC District Engineer ng Bulacan, First District, Bryce Erickson G. Hernandez alias Marvin Santos de Guzman. Assistant District Engineer JP D. Mendoza alias PJ Castro Asuncion. DPWH Engineer 2 RJ Dumasic, introducing himself as a contractor from Sims Trading Corporation with alias Sandro Bernardo Park at Edric San Diego as himself. They may hide their identities, but having spent practically all my law enforcement years conducting intelligence and investigative work, I know criminals when I see them. No matter how real-looking their IDs are, no matter how long they were able to thrive in the shadows, no one can shield them from the day of reckoning that they deserve. Lalong-lalo na kung lantaran at walang pakundangan na ang pagnanakaw at paglustay ng kaban ng bayan, Mr. President. Base sa mga dokumentong nakalap namin mula sa PAGCOR, malulula tayo sa laki ng halagang naging talo sa kasino ng 5 ito. 950 million in gross losses, Mr. President. Base ang mga ito sa official at validated na record mula mismo sa 13 kasino sa Metro Manila, Cebu at Pampanga. Halimbawa, itong si former Assistant District Engineer at OIC, District Engineer Bryce Hernandez alias Marvin Santos de Guzman, mayroong combined gross losses sa mga kasino na 435 million pesos. Halos hindi sila nagkakalayo ng OIC Assistant District Engineer niya na si JP Mendoza alias PJ Castro Asuncion na may 418 million pesos sa nakabuwang talo sa iba't ibang mga kasino. Ang former District Engineer na si Henry Alcantara na hindi naman tumanggi na pumapasok at nagsusugal sa kasino ay nakapagpatalo ng 68,000 pesos pero bilang Henry Alcantara lamang yan. Ang mas malaking bulto ng kanyang talo habang nagtatago sa kanyang alias na Joseph Castro Villegas ay tumataginting na 36.7 million pesos in gross losses. Hindi rin natin sinasantabi ang milyones na pinatalo ng mga DPWH employees na nagpapanggap na contractors na sina Project Engineer RJ Dumasig alias Sandro Bernardo Park na may gross losses na 16.9 million at Edric San Diego alias himself or as himself na may losses na 42.4 million pesos. Akala siguro ng mga ito ay maaari silang manatiling multo o incognito. Ito ay isa lamang sa tambak na pagkakamali nila, Ginoong Pangulo. Interestingly, mukhang may kakaibang milagro ang dumapo sa tropang BGC Boys sa isang kasino sa Newport World Resort sa Pasay, kung saan sila ay tumabo ng 100 milyong pisong panalo mula August 31, 2023 hanggang April 4, 2024. Henry Alcantara, 4.7 million pesos. Bryce Erickson Hernandez, 189 million pesos. JP Mendoza, 320 million pesos. RJ Dumasig, 7.37 million pesos. Edric San Diego, 11.7 million pesos. Sinuwerto nga ba sabay-sabay na nanalo ang mga ito, Mr. President? O baka naman money laundering scheme? May report kami at ito ay amin pang binabalidate na peke lang ang pagdeklara nilang panalo. How so? Magpapalit ng cash into casino chips. Pero pag natalo ng kaunti, pupunta sa cashier para mag-cash out at ideklarang panalo ang pinagpalitan nilang chips. Smart? Your guess at this point is as good as mine. Sa Okada naman, may naka-record na one gaming activity mula October 17 to 18, 2022, sina Henry Alcantara, Bryce Hernandez, RJ Dumasig at JP Mendoza, na kung saan maliban kay Henry Alcantara na nanalo ng 301,000 pesos, umuwing talunan ang ibang BGC boys dahil sa total losses na 1.75 million pesos. Mr. President, let me show you the record of cash to chips and chips to cash transactions of the BGC boys sa mga kasino na pinasyalan nila mula taong 2023 hanggang 2025. Henry Alcantara, alias Joseph Castro Villegas, cash to chips, 1,428,170,000. Yes, Mr. President, you heard it right, my dear colleagues. B as in billion, hindi M or million. Cash to chips, 997,765,000 pesos. Bryce Hernandez, alias Marvin Santos de Guzman, cash to chips, 659,910,000 pesos. Chips to cash, 1,385,360,250 pesos. JP de Guzman, alias PJ Asuncion, cash to chips from 2023 to 2024, 26,500,000. Cash to chips, 2023 and 2024, 280,093,500 pesos. In this regard, my office has submitted their names and aliases to the Anti-Money Laundering Council since casinos are covered persons under the amended Anti-Money Laundering Act. Hindi pa po dito nagtatapos, Mr. President, ang kanilang mga kabulastugan. Sa aking naunang privilege speech noong August 20, 2025, nauna ko nang nilarawan base sa aming sources ang mag-among sina Alcantara at Hernandez na may parehong level ng pagmamahal sa pera.